In this video, we're going to get the total running time of our Flash video. Remember how we did it when we did the sound object when we were using our MP3s? There's a little bit easier way to do it with video. Click after the end of the attached video statement in the play video function and press enter. Now before we get our video length, we want to set something else. The NetStream class has a method called setBufferTime. So when you play a video, you have a few seconds before the video actually starts playing. It downloads about 5 seconds worth sometimes, or 3, or however many you want. And the video starts playing after that much is downloaded. If you don't put a setBufferTime method in, the video will start playing 1/10 of a second into its download. So once it's downloaded 1/10 of a second of video, it'll start playing. If you don't have a fast connection, that's not good. So I'm going to type my capital N capital S dot set buffer time open parenthesis. Make sure the B and the T of buffer time are capitalized. See in the code heading it says number of seconds. So I'm just going to type 5 for 5 seconds. You can type whatever you want in there. Close parenthesis, semicolon. Now press enter a few times. And type my capital N capital S dot on metadata capital M and a capital D space equals space function. onMetadata is a event handler of the NetStream class that allows you to execute a function when the metadata of a video file is ready to use. One of the things stored in the metadata of a video file is the length of that file. And so we're going to use this action to get the length of the file. Type in open parenthesis p underscore info colon object close parenthesis colon void with a capital V, enter, enter again, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. This object has one parameter. I'm going to call it p underscore info, and it's an object. The metadata information that's received when this function runs gets stored inside of this object that you give the name of within the parameters of this function. Before I type anything here, I'm going to create a new variable up at the top. So I'm going to go after the line number 2 when we create the NetStream variable, press enter, type var space vid length colon number. This variable is going to represent the length of our video. Go back down in your onMetadata event handler in between the brackets, and now we're going to give it a value to the vid length variable. Type vid length with a capital L space equals space p underscore info dot duration semicolon. And that's how you get information from the metadata of the file that's loading. You just say the name of the object dot and then whatever property you want to know. If you want a full list of all the properties that you can get from this object, go into the help menu and search for the onMetadata command. Okay. In the next video, we're actually going to load in the video content and control the playback and pausing of the video.